Hi guys, just had my order from Amazon, which is the Seben DKA2 scope mount, and we're just going to unbox this and have a look. So let's get started. So rip this here. It actually hasn't been opened yet, so I've never actually seen it personally. Assuming that's the mount in there. What do you get in there? Receipt. Some German pamphlet or Swedish pamphlet. Right, let's get to the main thing. Quite hard to unbox and one-handed actually. Excited as all of you. Right. Here it is. Slide it out. So that's the rail you mount your camera on. And this is the actual scope mount. See? Seben.com. It's padded inside on there for the scope. It's made out of full metal. I think it's either iron or steel, but it's really hard stuff. You use that to unscrew it to fit to the scope mount. Weighs about £1 in weight. I say about £1.5 maybe. It's quite heavy, so the gun is going to be quite a bit heavier with that on it. Yeah, thanks for watching my video guys. Hope you liked this little unboxing. I wasn't exactly planning on doing one, but as soon as I seen it I just thought I gotta get my video camera and show everyone. So you're all gonna be receiving some scope camera videos for all of you subscribers out there. I got 64 subscribers at the moment. Thanks a lot for all the help and support. And yeah, I think I got now 35,000 views. I can't thank you all enough, and it's a little present to all of you for all the views you've given me. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Ta-ra.